origins of the Sanskrit language uh, seem to have emanated from a source that is beyond the human mind. And we'll also see how that has impacted certain features of the language. I'll ask you as we go ahead here. So, because of that, the language, what Sri Aurobindo says, that this feature of the sound being creative of experience is a little different from sound communicating thought. So, when we talk language, this is another whole dimension that is untapped consciously. It's tapped by certain yogic traditions, like in Tantra and the mantra traditions. They have consciously worked on that. But in general, when we use sounds or when we use language, we are not aware of the experiential features of the sounds of the language.